Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to relax your mind easily. And this will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. I'll be going over 4 simple things that you can do to relax your mind, to calm your mind, and ease your mind. Starting off with number 1. Number 1 is close your eyes if you can, okay? So if you're in a situation where you are able to close your eyes, then you should close your eyes. By closing your eyes, you're just going to basically get rid of all of the visual things that you can see, the visual stimulus, the visual stimuli, whatever you want to call it. And basically, you're just going to get your mind to be able to not see anything, okay? And if you're able to do that, if you're in a situation where you're able to close your eyes, then close them, because that is probably one of the best things that you can do in terms of relaxing your mind, okay? So obviously, if you're not in a situation where you can close your eyes, you can still relax your mind. Just try to not focus visually on anything, or try to focus visually on as little as you can. And obviously, make sure you're in like a safe situation. So make sure you're like sitting on a chair. But let's say you're like in a meeting at work and you want to relax your mind. You can keep your eyes open, right, while you're sitting on a chair in a meeting at work, and you can look, but you could just not really focus, right? Try and lose the focus visually, right? But if you know, the best case scenario is that you're in a situation where you can close your eyes and you close them, and it should start to calm your mind down. Moving on to number 2. Number 2 is to think about nothing at all. Literally try to think about nothing, okay? The best way to do this is not to actually, like, I don't want to say, like, think about nothing, right? I don't want to say, like, what I'm trying to say is this. I don't want to tell you to tell your mind to think about nothing. What I mean is whenever something approaches your mind, kick it out. You're not saying think about nothing. Just whenever something comes there, you kick it out and there's nothing there. If you try to think about nothing by saying, I'm going to think about nothing at all, it's going to be hard because your mind is going to want to think about things. But as they approach your mind, kick them out, and the absence, because you're kicking everything out, the absence of thoughts will allow you to think about nothing at all, okay? Because if you say to yourself, I'm going to think about nothing, then you're kind of thinking about something. So instead, when something approaches your mind, kick it out, and there will be nothing there, and you will be thinking about nothing without actually saying to yourself that you're thinking about nothing. If that does make sense. Not if, I was going to say if that makes sense. That does make sense. Something approaches your mind, kick it out. Simple as that, okay? Moving on to number 3. Number 3 is relax your senses. So you got to relax your senses. That means, like, as much as you can, you want to sort of turn off any stimulus or stimuli or anything that is a stimulation for your senses. So let's say you're eating food, right? So finish chewing, finish the food, and don't eat anything else for now. Let's say you're chewing gum, spit the gum out. That will relax your taste senses, okay? You know, closing your eyes or not focusing on anything visually will relax your sight senses, okay? Going into a silent area, or, you know, maybe wearing noise canceling headphones or putting in like earplugs in your ears, whatever the case is, you know, canceling out sound in one way or another will relax your hearing senses. You know, you can't really control what you're going to smell, right? But, you know, by basically getting into a very neutral smell zone, like right now I'm in my van, it's a very neutral smell zone. So like getting into a zone where it's just like a neutral smell, where you're just smelling normal stuff, everyday stuff, that's going to relax your smelling senses. Smell is the hardest one to control because smell can come from anywhere at any time. But try to relax your senses as much as you possibly can. It will help you calm your mind down. Moving on to the last one for this video, which is number 4. Number 4 is take some deep breaths. Now, this will relax you physically. So by taking deep breaths, you're going to physically relax, but it's also going to translate to your mind relaxing as well and calming your mind down as well. So take some deep breaths. It doesn't need to be 50 deep breaths. It doesn't need to be 5 minutes of deep breathing or anything like that. That's fine and dandy. But you literally need to do like 1 to 3 deep breaths. That's all you need. You could do more if you want, but like by doing 3 deep breaths, you're going to already cause yourself to calm down, you know, relax for a little bit, maybe do 3 more deep breaths in 5 minutes, maybe do another 3 in half an hour from now, whatever the case is, right? But take some deep breaths. It will relax you physically, and that will translate eventually to your mind relaxing as well. And that's it. Hopefully you can calm your mind down. Hopefully you can use these things to help you out and improve. But yeah, with that being said, I have nothing else to say other than I hope that you've enjoyed the video. And with nothing else to say, we're going to roll the intro. We're going to roll the intro. We did the intro a long time ago. We're not going to roll the intro. With nothing else to say, we're going to roll the outro. Not the intro, but the outro. So we're going to roll the outro. And without further ado, you, here is the official outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.